Hello traders, welcome back to the channel and another weekly outlook. I'm Ignas from Daily Pips and we're talking about price delivery, algorithmic price action and a little bit of economic news calendar. So, hope you're gonna stay tuned, hope you're gonna find this insightful, and let's dive in. As we do with every single analysis, we're starting with economic news calendar. Monday looks not to have any red folder news events, so I'm gonna try to keep my risk away from the market, not very much looking to enter any positions, and I'm gonna try to do something interesting, just like I did last week, in terms of allowing the market to run without me on Monday and Tuesday. Last week it panned out very good for us, so I'm gonna be doing exactly the same this upcoming week. So I'm hoping for majority of the trading pairs to form a high or low of the week on Tuesday, allowing me to focus my risks for trading throughout Wednesday, Thursday and Friday price delivery. So knowing that in fact a very good possibly week in front of us, so let's dive into the price delivery itself. And if you find this insightful, please don't forget to leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Very much appreciate all the support, and let's see. Starting with bonds, still looking at that double top resting above. I'm not certain why this retracement was necessary. I was very much excited for this to finally get tagged, but looking at what dollar currency pairs are doing, I'm not too keen on interest rates going that much higher, to be fair. I'm still interested in double top. My bias is not changing up until the point this bullish order block is being taken away from the market. Daily imbalance still holding in the price as well, so everything so far looks good. If this gets taken, I'm interested in sell side being delivered, but up until that point, double top is my target. Dollar index, just like we called for, has delivered 103.993 in the terms of a double bottom has been delivered. I've been targeting this for the last 3 weeks actually, so very cool to see it finally delivering. And what do we see now? Wednesday, low of the week, Thursday, Friday, pushing the market to the upside. What I'm watching right now is this swing high right here and a possible retracement into this bearish order block plus this daily imbalance itself. If the market shoots through this and delivers higher than 104.981, I'm looking for bullish prices actually and this double top to be attacked. So if we get that, very interesting week ahead of us, because it's gonna allow for a lot of markets to start crashing, which is my actual expectation. But before we do that, I'm very much interested in this order block to hold off and allow the market to continue lower. Prior to that, everything I'm gonna be watching is gonna be bearish for me still on dollar index itself. Watching Euro chart now, again we delivered the targets in terms of buy side. Actually we did it on Monday right away with the market opening up, and my analysis here is very similar to what we have on dollar. I'm watching this order block in terms of bullish order block itself. I'm watching this daily imbalance as well. My interest is for the price to retrace first, so I'm calling for lower prices. But then it's gonna be very interesting how we treat the swing low. If the market pushes lower and opens up a bearish fair value gap, this becomes interesting because sell side is definitely resting below. We have a lot of buy stops resting above on dollar index itself. So it's gonna be very interesting to see whether there's gonna be a possibility for the market finally topping here, question mark in a way. So we're gonna see. But if you guys are interested to hear what my analysis looks like day in, day out, I do it every single morning on Discord. So if you don't mind, pass by the community itself. We have a free trial that is 14 days without risk for you. So if you like what we do here, pass by. Going onwards, pound looks a lot more bullish considering what we have in euro. We have no swing lows here, so retracement down and continuation higher is very much expected, but I'm gonna start counting to 3. Which is the best I can do. Sounds funny, right? If this order block is getting broken, I'm watching this next order block at 1.28500-ish as possible support. And if that breaks, I'm watching sell side being delivered actually. I would love a little bit of deeper retracement on pound, knowing the economic news calendar, economic situation overall. So we'll see. But pound is gonna be something that I'll try to stay away because I'm gonna be watching this daily imbalance to be treated as a bullish fair value gap and actually leave this imbalance as a breakaway gap open while it's delivering higher prices towards 1.31, 400, 500-ish. indices, the fun part. Looking at what we have on US 500, lower prices delivered. I'm very happy to see that. But now everything kind of depends on your own belief in a way. What I believe is that I'm gonna be looking for scalping opportunities on US 500 only, because on daily chart itself, I have a break of structure towards lower prices, possibly even 5400s because of this break on structure and daily fair value gap being open. So I'm gonna closely be watching this, and if the market retraces, I'm gonna be looking for a possibility to go lower. But US 500, I'm only scalping this. I'm not too keen on the market delivering too high, too low, any higher, any lower, literally 50-50, because I have a break of structure and a possible YouTube 2022 panning out on bear side of the market, and on the bullish side of the market, I'm literally watching a optimal trade entry right now that might allow the market to continue higher, just these 3 days being a very small 3 days retracement itself. Now Nasdaq is a little bit more interesting. What do we have on Nasdaq? Nasdaq finally hit our targets. We've been calling for this double bottom at 19,728 for quite a while, and we literally called the high of the week on Tuesday, and we did call for the bottom to be formed on Friday this week, which is week 29 in our Discord. So I'm very happy, very proud of this call. We were able to execute, giving us one of the best trading weeks so far this year as well. So very cool stuff there. And so what am I watching now? Since the target in terms of double bottom has been delivered, I'm actually watching the market to finally retrace into this daily imbalance, and then I'm gonna be making a decision, which is one out of two kinda. So I'm watching definite retracement and then possibility to go lower towards 19,200. But if the market books higher prices, there's a closing on a daily above 20,464.5, very precise level here, I'm gonna be interested in another all-time high. Something like that. Possibly, maybe, even something like that, where we're gonna use this fall imbalance itself. But so far, everything below Wednesday, in terms of July 17th, daily imbalance, I'm gonna be looking for a possibility for the market to retrace for continuation lower itself. I finally have something I want to share with you guys on crypto. I actually have a order pending on Bitcoin itself. I'm watching these relative equal highs up above at 73,800 now, because the market structure has just been broken. 69,000, it's a previous all-time high, which I always tend to keep on the chart itself. And now I'm watching a few things. We have a daily imbalance out here that will possibly allow the market to continue higher, but I would be looking for a deeper retracement to make this move a little bit healthier. Yet these imbalances start getting broken, daily liquidity is resting right below at 50k, and then I'm becoming incredibly bearish for Bitcoin itself. So break of structure had just happened, right? We have a lower resistance liquidity run possibly forming, so push to the upside rapidly is very much expected. We're not getting that instantly, kind of rapidly and very quickly in terms of price delivering higher. My interest in Bitcoin moving higher is kind of gone, because I'm looking for a possible reversal on dollar, on index futures, on interest rates itself. So quite a simple analysis here as well. I am literally saying this out loud because I have a pending order right in front of me on the brokerage of my own choice. So with this in mind, I'm finalizing this analysis, leaving you guys make your own decisions throughout the week. So stay careful again on Monday, because we have 0 red folder news drivers. Consider a little bit of retracement for a majority of the securities we're looking to trade. So enjoy your time this upcoming week. Happy Monday, happy trading for everybody, and stay safe. See you around. Bye.